Hello everybody, welcome to Techno Fast. In this video, I'm going to talk about best drawing apps for beginners. Here are some of the easiest apps for beginners looking to get into the digital world. These are the drawing apps that are quick to pick up and easy to work with. They have a lot of great resources available and large community to lean on for support while traversing the learning curve. Number 1 app is Procreate. At first glance, this application can be a bit daunting for someone who has never used a design app before. While it can be helpful to experiment with all the different tools and buttons to really build skill in this application and get the most functionality, check out the Procreate community page. There are many skilled artists and tutorials available to support digital artists of any skill level. Be sure to check out the animation feature, it really helps your work come to life. What it does, creates digital drawing using a multitask layered layout, illustrations, animations, export easily to other device for continued home work. So here are pros: one time purchase, a good amount of helpful tutorials, lot of preset brushes and already installed. Here are cons: cannot finalize a drawing for professional use without bringing it into Illustrator to clean up lines or vectorize. Brushes simulate the painting of strokes but does not bleed like a vectorized brush. Not vectorized, it does not scale well. You have to pay attention to how big your canvas size or everything will pixelate. So next app is Adobe Photoshop Sketch. This is tried and true drawing application. Photoshop Sketch feature gorgeous interface that is clean and simply laid out like other Adobe. Right, leave a large digital canvas on which to paint. Designed for fine artists looking to add a digital component to their work. This application focuses on clear, simple tool that allows the create to do what they do best: create. What it does, work in similar way to Photoshop layout with brushes with pressure sensitive capabilities. Meant to be used a part of Adobe family of application, must have an Adobe ID to use. So pros and cons. Pros: easily connects to Illustrator or Photoshop since it is the Adobe family made by a seasoned company, Adobe, which provides more resources and support compared to other design applications. So cons: a bigger learning curve for those who have never used design software before. No other features are available. Must use another app. Limited storage but can pay an additionally monthly cost for more storage. So number 3 is Adobe Illustrator Draw. This application is for the graphic designer already integrated into the Adobe family. It is so easy to translate work done on iPad in Adobe Illustrator Draw to an open Illustrator file through CC libraries. The app is beautifully laid out with the simply approach to Adobe Photoshop Sketch. Though the learning curve can be challenging for those who are unfamiliar with design software, the upside, the app feature a robust tutorial platform and community engagement available for all user and skill levels. What it does, meant for vector graphics with customizability of brushes, easily mixes photos with drawing layers. Pros and cons: easily connects to Illustrator or Photoshop since it is Adobe family. Create vector graphics with customizable brushes. Clean and simple layout for beginners. So cons: some reviews says it can crash easily. Limited storage but can pay an additional monthly cost for more storage. So next is Adobe Fresco. This application is bit different with live brushes that bleed across the screen, gorgeous vector graphic and blending effect that looks 3D. Adobe Fresco easily translate to Photoshop for further work with more robust tools. However, if simplicity is the end goal, Fresco's streamlined approach allows designer and illustrator to get their ideas without being bogged down by other tools. So here are pros and cons of this Adobe Fresco. Brushes that blend and breathe like the real thing can be used in combination with Adobe Photoshop on the iPad, part of the Adobe family. So cons: Cannot add text, no canvas option, free version only lasts up to 2 GB of storage. So next is Inspire Pro. Inspire Pro is a great introduction into the digital drawing. The simple layout is easy to navigate but still offer up to a lot of great tools for creation. Fast rendering times make this application a contender for one of the best drawing apps out there on the App Store. What it does: the focus is on drawing and painting. This is a tool for reading the basics of digital drawing. The app is not as robust in comparison to the other drawing apps.